Okay. First method, straight line method. In straight line method, we have a method how to calculate annual depreciation. How we calculate annual depreciation? It is equal to total depreciation divided by useful lifespan. Annual depreciation means depreciation for every year is equal to total depreciation divided by useful lifespan. Second formula is how we convert annual depreciation into percent. It is equal to annual depreciation. What you calculate here, you will divide it by total depreciation times 100%. Or we can use another formula that is 1 over useful lifespan times 100%. Then you get the annual rate depreciation. Now we go to the first example for straight line method. A set of equipment for a Photoshop was bought for 100,000 and has a useful life of 10 years. If the scrap value is 10,000, calculate the accumulated depreciation value at the end of fourth year using the straight line method. Here we have the word straight line method. So when we see the word straight line method, means that you need to use the straight line method formula. Okay. So in order to find the accumulated depreciation value at the end of fourth year, you need to know how to calculate first the annual depreciation. How we calculate annual depreciation? Cost minus scrap value. Okay, cost, how much you buy that equipment, that is 100,000, minus the scrap value, that is 10,000, divided by 10, useful life 10. So meaning that every year the equipment depreciate as much as 9,000. So to find the accumulated depreciation for 4 years, you need to times with 4. 9,000 times 4, then you get the accumulated depreciation, that is 36,000. The cost of a machine is 7,000 and its average value is 700 at the end of the 9th year. Calculate the depreciation and the book value for the 6 years using the straight line method. Okay, so for example 3, you need to be careful with the word for the 6th year. Okay, meaning that the first two examples that I have explained, it is for the depreciation after 6 years, meaning that the accumulated depreciation for 6 years, meaning that the first 6 years of depreciation, the first year plus with the second year plus with third year until the 6th year. But for this question, example 3, it wants you to find the depreciation with the 6 years only, meaning that susut nilai untuk tahun ke-6 sahaja, untuk satu tahun saja, iaitu tahun yang ke-6, bukannya kita nak susut nilai untuk 6 tahun, selepas 6 tahun. Okay, so ada beza ya. So kalau selepas 6 tahun, bermaksud kita akan kira susut nilai setahun kali dengan 6 tahun. So kita dapat susut nilai untuk 6 tahun. Tapi yang ini dia hanya nak susut nilai untuk tahun ke-6 sahaja. Okay, dan juga nilai semasa dia, depreciation, and also the book value for the 6th year, pada tahun yang ke-6. Okay, so how we calculate the depreciation for the 6th year? We use the formula annual depreciation. Annual depreciation equal to 7,000 minus 700 divided by 9, it is equal to 700. So walaupun ini adalah annual depreciation, tetapi kita tahu kalau dalam straight line method, and depreciation every year sama saja. Kalau annual depreciation is 700, maksudnya tahun pertama susut nilai dia 700, tahun kedua pun 700, tahun ketiga pun 700. Sebab tu 700 adalah jawapan kepada soalan ini, iaitu depreciation for the 6th year. So 700, so ini dah menjawab soalan yang pertama. Soalan yang kedua, find the book value for the 6 years. So untuk cari nilai semasa untuk tahun ke-6, we need to find the accumulated depreciation for the 6 year. So accumulated depreciation yang terkumpul. So setiap tahun 700, bila 6 tahun kita kali dengan 6, we get 4,200. So book value for 6 years, so beli 7,000 minus dengan susut nilai selama 6 tahun, you get 2,800. So ini adalah nilai semasa dia untuk tahun ke-6. Cuma you need to make sure that okay, this is the first solution for calculating the depreciation for the 6 year. Okay, so dia tak perlu buat sampai 4,200. Kita bukan nak accumulated depreciation, kita nak depreciation hanya untuk tahun ke-6. Okay, make sure you understand and the difference between the first, second example and the third example that I explained.